Hi guys, I'm Raunak. John Cena finally won his 17th World Championship in the main event of WrestleMania 14 pay-per-view Night 2. Triple H wasted no time setting up his first challenger as Randy Orton RKO'd his longtime rival on WWE Raw after WrestleMania. The last real champion was busy basking in his glory, allowing Randy Orton to sneak in and drop John Cena with the RKO. The intent seems clear as WWE is heading towards a blockbuster match between John Cena and Randy Orton at Backlash 2025 pay-per-view. As appealing as another match between the two legends sounds, Cena vs Orton at Backlash is a bad idea. So in this video, I'll mention 4 reasons why John Cena vs Randy Orton at Backlash 2025 is a bad idea. So let's get started without wasting any time. The last real champion wanted to win the WWE Championship because he wanted to ruin professional wrestling for the fanbase as payback for disrespecting him in a toxic, abusive relationship. Taking the WWE Championship away from Cody Rhodes, the top babyface of the current era, made sense, but battling Randy Orton doesn't seem to fit John Cena's plan of ruining wrestling. John Cena has already defeated Randy Orton multiple times in the past, so another win over the Viper wouldn't add a new victim to his list. Secondly, the WWE Universe has demanded a match between the two longtime rivals. If John Cena gives them that match at Backlash pay-per-view, he is still fulfilling the wishes of the wrestling world, a characteristic antithetical to his current character. On the contrary, not showing up to defend the championship or facing a forgotten wrestler is more likely to irk fans. In all the hype surrounding John Cena's record-setting 17th World Championship win and potential encounter with Randy Orton, Cody Rhodes' heartbreaking WWE title loss has gotten lost in the shuffle. The American Nightmare held the top prize proudly for more than a year, and pushing him out of the title scene immediately after WrestleMania 14 pay-per-view doesn't feel right. Triple H may be protecting Cody Rhodes from another loss to John Cena, but there are plenty of angles worth exploring in Cena Rhodes saga. Cody Rhodes will likely comfort Cena again, potentially soon after Backlash 2025 pay-per-view. However, delaying the blow-off to a feud that is already red hot makes little sense. Although the last real champion is working only a limited number of dates, the expectation is that he will work major PLEs like SummerSlam and the Saudi specials. WWE's motivations for booking John Cena vs Randy Orton at Backlash pay-per-view 2025 are understandable, but it could be saved for a bigger show. Backlash pay-per-view takes place in a few weeks. The star power of Cena and Orton is sufficient to build the match and draws casual WWE fans in during the difficult post-WrestleMania season. However, delaying the bout to a later date would allow both men to create a strong background story. Randy Orton's name emerged several times late last year as potential WrestleMania opponent for John Cena. Considering this could be the final time they wrestle, it should ideally happen at a big PLE like SummerSlam. Backlash 2025 will take place in St. Louis, Missouri, Randy Orton's hometown. The Viper has already made the poster for PLE, and he could potentially close the show with John Cena in a massive WWE Championship match. However, the crowd would be red hot for Randy Orton. The 14-time world champion hasn't had best win-loss record since returning from a serious back injury at Survivor Series 2025 pay-per-view. A crushing defeat in front of his family and friends will build heel heat for John Cena, but would crush Randy Orton's momentum. The Apex Predator is a tough commodity, and wasting him in his hometown could be counterproductive. So guys, how much excited are you? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this one, and share this video with your friends, families, and with your relatives. See ya.